Hello Zimbabwe, Jiri say, ndauya ne brand new show kuti ndikufadze. Zita rangu munoziva ndini Dr. Clarence. Ndauya kuzoshira neme yangu experience ndichikudzidzisai kurova mangoma. Handina basa nazvo kuti unogara Marare kana kuti unogara kuKadoma. Zim Danso. I think murungodona kuti pano maraime afi akapera. Yes, ndakapfeka shirt ya blue ndakagara pamberi pekamera ende pachapera show inoyi muchapembera. I'm gonna be teaching you how to become a Zim Danso artist. First of all, to become a Zim Danso artist, you don't need talent. It's not necessary for you to have talent. What you need is just auto-tune. You need auto-tune, not talent. The next thing you're gonna need is to come up with a catchy name. To come up with a catchy name, it's simple. Don't know what to choose. I fara sniper mabebe van. Sniper. Pasemba song yake yenzi love yemusoja mwemfana vanakiro ne song yeyo but twista song yake dechulu vatanga kuti soja love. Pakaenda ku studio manjichi achida kurekoda kasina inspiration vanzi na producer wako o great deal. Producer yake akabamba great. Amosha kwa great records. German. Great Ramani vera reputike. Sikame mgenge mamwitike misa kubanasi mchato kuti PTK. Sikuza kenga mwa madaro sure but PTK ino sikapamba ne mamfeza kadogara ke bakona chwana chikuti hapo zikani pala murumbo ya say kila mtu bana ba inenda confused bese wataka mtarisi wataka usekelanza Joshua uri confused yewe sakachi kubanasi wa confused sika bese manje vanga roho we confused roho ne crossfire opafinda vamwe German vaifunga kuti vakachena akapfeka heti ye green shirt ye blue apa boots ze brown akapfeka black uye akapfeka khaki akapfeka pink akamixa makala hobo kenganese chingomutaridza ari padoro badai waseka akapfeka macolors sikuza kumana mudiseka nyange macolors ramana shanzi tirikuseka colors rawinaro kubva ipapa akabadai waseka colors apa vamwe German futi vanga vakatogara zvavo mustudio vachina zvikuitika svanza genga mana inoita isi one love kama kuseka ina mana asakabvira asina achatambe nemi mana imi mana aina nchaite zvemagroup sikazina confused iweweka ndiwe munhu unoraya momentum wona wakuraya momentum you are a killer sakubva nasi iwe wakila team killer akabva buda ubva aenda kwangaenda sezvo anga asina team anga afa varwanika anga free man vasvika kune rimwe position vava kwamunzi guruwe vafanira genga tikazi genga kwandaya kunoka kuite genga ndachifunga nda free man but hey ndasvika kuno kwako kudenja zone genga ndarowa nematsotsi. The next thing you're gonna need is to come up with a catchphrase. For example, manager. Check. A catchphrase is very easy to come up with. It's just anything that doesn't make sense. The trick is you don't need to make sense. Dong, fang, dang, duba, dang, dang, pop, yo, blaze. That's catchphrase. You can come up with your own. You can even cry. Before you start your own song, you'll be like, you know, it's not so specialist. That's how we do it. or you mean uchema? Oh no. I didn't give fire. Oh no. Nabi wamani. Oh no. It's easy to come up with a catchphrase. Anything that's stupid and that doesn't make sense can be a catchphrase. The next thing you're gonna need is you need to have a signature look. It is still running. For example, when Kid D anfika bashine chini uvapfeka zibhandi rake zihombe kuti muone. Sniper Storm anopfeka uniform yake musoja uvapfeka nemazibhutsu mahombe tadzadia nechiheti chake chimwe so chinoita ngepoto chihombe kuti muone. Lady Squander ane magaro mahombe kana chinyanga kwati zvanyanyawanda chirasta like you need my locks. You know unotanga to be a Zim Danso artist nasi unotoenda pa show next week, so you can wait 5 years kuti rasta kutangira project artist. You can buy locks also nerera and you can also buy more. Unamirira musoro ukaona tie ine flag yeZimbabwe uvaziya kuti ndi soldier love. Female artist asina yasopfeka zvakanaka uvaziya kuti ndi Lady B. It's easy to come up with your own signature look. Just do anything crazy, anything clumsy. Kuti German vanogara vakatapa, like for example Shinzo munhu esati do signature look yake Killer T. Isu atiite zvemagroup isusu. Look at my eyes. I'm not blinking. That's Killer T's signature look. He doesn't blink. Kana uchaka zvemaglass zviri funny. Signature look. Zoda chiremba vasvika paposition. Kana zi necklace ninge nekaseti. Kana ufamba wakapindurudza hembe. Signature look. Anything chisati changu ilikuwa ni mwenye mono. My hair signature look. Kune mastyle akawandisa epimba zimdanso. The next thing you're gonna need is to choose which style yaoneka best. Kune style angry danso. Ukafamba usiku ndati unorowa ngunzu. Uruwe dai hey chitongwisa. Then there is lazy dancer. This one is very easy. You don't need to make sense. Enjoying nezuro nangandele kushapini ndo kwenda bange mabebe akagara pamuzoro bebini aba bange vakapfeka mini ndikati baby uyanemba kuchiisa magreen akabashika open batsa sing. That's lazy dancer. The other style is retarded dancer. Tange munhu asiri normal. Iwe tamuka foni ichibururuka kuita kumeweza idanimo mawaya mufanzi yangu andikandira mawaya atisati dadakwa mira imuone nasi anzi ndakupenga asthma danso ningoshimba utangeone asthma ita se unononga batapachecha pauchi waina se unononga paita patinasi ningochimba uchitanga kunyangirira like utanga kushikira kuti huru yako inoputika here tange muna neasthma arakupira air. So then there is urban grooves derived dance confused. Ndakusuwa baby uya kwandiri timbodanana ndasuwa rudo ndasuwa chikudo. I cannot remember any more of his songs. I only know that one. Then there is whisper dance kutanga wasala kuimba ndikaseze baby ya ekita washika panjimbo. Then there is this style called mumbling. Unafanya kuzo kuimba like for example like measure E kudara makwasa yamebani you should know but to make and why am bella to the people and they can't mind why am bella what about. That's mumbling. You can say anything, things that don't mean anything. When you are singing dancehall, you should never pronounce right. You should twist your pronunciation like danger zone. Then kuyachisa madinga, not kuyachisa madinga. Mabebi ashanze mabebi anikazi mabebi straight benzi ningeshinze beans ndakazi pa college. Saka mafanza angu ese ndikuda kumasi achisiekerera nekuti ngoma dzangu vakudzitierera. Then the other thing is as a dance artist that you need unofana kuti akakuonererwa kakushainira vanhu. Kuti munhu akafuna hello ndara ndoda kuita wakakona poneni ndakuimba nene wageza bhazi aro mudhara vanhu vakatokumirireka mudhara pashow paipa pandakakunyoreka paposta ndikakwaii deposit 50 half down. Imi makandipoka 500 ikaro ini ndikutoenda zvangu kwe 2000 kana muchida ka 500 kenyu nokudzosera imene. Hello Sha, I'm a big fan Sha. Uchaona rini kumarondera Sha, and your music is really good Sha, unogona Sha. I know. That's what you need to do if you're a dance artist. You know, when you're writing a song, don't try to make sense. Just sing anything that doesn't make sense, because if you make sense, you don't make a hit song. And also, if you are a female artist, don't be afraid to open those legs. They will get you far. They'll get you anywhere you want. Just open those legs. Then it's the same dance artist. You do respect the artist. It doesn't necessarily have to be yours. Kana muti mkomo wako nokona kubudana ya picture ba newspaper chibiro ndo mota yangu blaze mota yangu benzi yangu kema. Hello blaze jese blaze ngine shoka blaze nachikumbira kwa mota yenyewe blaze. Kwele ndiko shiko kwenda chiremerera kapane vamwe zimdanzo artist noza pale paina shinzo ane jega yake chichi kapane paina freeman ane benzi yake saka mudara chimiro chini. Thanks mudara maspaka mudara bo. Thank you for watching how to sing Zim Danso. You know, you need to like and share with your friend, and also click on subscribe. And my subscribers wonder to post my new jokes, new comedies every week. So keep you posted. Click up, subscribe. Click up and subscribe. Facebook up, Facebook somewhere up. Subscribe. Facebook like. Please don't forget to share on your wall. And thank you for supporting One Love.